Today 25th, we on our way to San Francisco. From San Francisco to Singapore. From Singapore to Cambodia. So it will take us more than 24 hours, right? We'll see you when we get into San Francisco. Look, in Singapore airport, it's very nice security gate and everything, like we were in like all by electronic, digital. And look at that airport here. Very big. It's so much change, and it's very nice. And compared to, US, it should be nicer than this, but I guess it's beautiful. Been walking a while already. Our next gate is F52. And then now we're gonna go straight and looking for F52. Then we have carry on with us. So it's kind of pain, but that's okay. Then we can walk around and see how it's like here in Singapore airport. The decoration. Wow. Video. We'll take video on top. Why, look at the up there. Look at up the ceiling. Singapore airport is very nice. Oh, here F50, so we are 52, so we should be fine. We know where we're at, so we're okay. We'll go back to take picture, nice more picture, and look around stuff. All right, bye bye. I think it's just the thing. The thing is in Asia is all marble wall, marble everything, floor. Look at how nice gardens here, and it's still here. It's been there for could be 30 years. Very nice. It's quiet today. So this breakfast on day 2. So we stop here and have breakfast. On a boat.
Mình không ạ. 1000សុំធំ1000
សុំមិញធំ1000អត់ធ្វើគេស្គុនពីមុនមនុស្សច្រើនណាស់ I'm here to stay where my mom was born. That's the place that she was born, and now her youngest brothers passed. We didn't make it, so he couldn't wait for us. Now we're gonna go to his funeral. So my uncle's died. The body is here, and this is one of my cousins. That's my mom talking, and then the cousins over there. So they all talking. And he was very bad last night. And this is my other cousin, but we haven't seen each other since 1980, I think 80. So we haven't seen each other. So you know who she is here. Then you know who this person is. Our cousin, I mean my cousin is all here. So all of here, and they all here, they arrived. Mặt vừa bon đam bay rầm lực đòn nhạc đái lặp. So here is my dad's monument. So I'm here, and then they set it up and everything, and then so that we can just come and visit and bless. And then we you know, I don't know how to speak English anymore now. Anyway, so we come here for just a short time, and then we'll go to my uncle's funeral at noon. It's like about 30 minutes driving from where's my mom's birthplace at and to my dad, remember? All right, so we'll see you later. day second of the funeral. So, and then it's like singing. Coca.
Nhưng mà qua tê,
Và thịt có này này, và thịt có.
ăn tê miền luôn. Họ như tập thể.
Today is a good day. Okay, so today is the last day, and then it's gonna take the body to bury it. Here is the temple, so now the body will carry all the way to the temples, and then it's the monument is over there to bury it. Chẳng mình bọn ở đây vô tới thì ốc sóc mà
cái gì cái mũi con lồn như mai dày
she's so weak, you know that my ass over there is very weak, so she's back and she in the monument there, so her knees are neck, you have to carry her with his wife too, you know, her sister-in-law. So now the casket is dropping. So now, so they have to bow. After about 4 times after this.
lấy trăm năm mươi nó lấy vô nó khai nó bắn này bay rồi một tay
Mơ lại.
mê cho mơ rồi coi kia
mê cho mơ lấy chân trăng
Okay, so after buried, that's how they do it. They spread all the seeds, so that will be blessing the children, and then also let they never be hungry. So and all those seeds that they spread it all over in front of the monument. Hay chuột. Okay. Để tay đi tính.
có đa sông ghê đó
mình thường dậy thăm ôn chỉ đồn mùi mặn mà dậy áp đậm lại nắng ôn here's the room we stay, so we leave today. I'm coming over to the paying for the service to pay off townhouse, whatever that you call condos. And look at how nice over here. And the girl reception, it's all pretty. Nè.
Mái triêm đó. Nào thế. Ôi chè. Dạ.
Hay mã mà sẽ lăng một cái nào lăng trong banana này là mà.
Chỗ này anh nè hiệt trong đó. Ôi chỗ này ốt này. Ốt này.
ngày
Ôi chỗ này
là
màu.
là ông xuống tôi phê lên cái sao đó đó ai cả lọp đó.
It's their house at night. At 8 day.
Sao cũng toàn màu này.
Và có một căn xe vì miễn xâm nàng ông lê quét hẳn chịu đã cho của sao.
Today is day 6 and this is the house, but it's for now just like this, and then I'm gonna take like a hole and like walking through, and so that way you can see, not just you, everybody can see how it looks like. All right, so we on our way to the 7th day of the death of my uncle. 6-day memorial, supposed to be 7th, but now the 6th day, so then we're driving to the, memorial day for my uncle. It's just like our 7-Eleven, but here they call Toro. So, and they stop waiting for each other because your brother-in-law friend coming in to go to the memorial the same. So now you can tell it's not like before, so you would enjoy Cambodia this time is unlike last time, because you know 20, I think it's 19 years when the first time you were here. Oh, sorry, we arrived. aiจะไปอ้อนไอ้อายุมาเธออายุมาจับไป Okay, so all my cousins, this table and this table is all Charlie friends. All right. So this is all my cousins that I haven't seen like since 2000. No, some of them since 1979. So after Pol Pot, we haven't seen each other. All right. So you can see. So we all old. This is my ass over here. Ai đây? Ai đây? Ai đây? Bón cho ai đây? Cho ai đang sẽ đại đây trộn trên tôi. Đang sẽ đại đây nào thì vô mặt nạ trong phổi thì cái này vào. Rồi thiệt. Có một giấy trơn phê, tên giấy trơn phê thở ngoặt thì là gài.
Pi mình nè hay pi mình nè anh à.
Đó còn trẻ tụi dưới hai ơi.
Pi mình nè hay mẹ pi mình nè anh à.
On the
Bay
street.
bơ đọp. Ram đọp.
Street food in Cambodia. Again, so today is day 8.
Rồi ấy. Nhóm mong muốn đọc á bàn tranh tới. Tê kìa mỗi ngày mà hai vị thầy bắt đầu rồi đầm
Vọt Phnom Vì đau Chết vọt Phnom nó miền cái sông này Mình đúng á
Banana, grilled banana. Oh my God, this is Saturday, okay? Look for how many people.
Ngồi sạp ca lên game ra sập đôi vô ca vô cùng là tập phao và tập là ai vậy cái nhà vui vui ấy ăn xong mà tôi quay bên đây ai đấy Xong tên mà đang từ đêm tận bay bài ca mồi chơi chuột ở bong nằm trong ru sa to hiếm thấy ở con bong mà con
Bây giờ thì chia
องขนมเปรย์จงได้ข้าวและเด็กมีเปรย์ใส่ตลอดดีบานที่ใส่อบคนชิงบองตีนดัดเมตาแม่เท้าดัดเมตา
เลยก็ข้างข้าบางอันเมียนสลาสลาบองเป็นน้องเลยก็เพราะข้าบางอันเมียนสลาเมียนแน่น้ำโดยมองหาเจ็ดชีหรือเธอเราเปิดเมียนแน่น้ำใจ
สาบองเมียนกันเคยจับตัวแต่ไอ้สลา
ในข้อสงสารยังมันไรกาส่งเลียสันไทยกัดแม่เขาส่งเลียสันไทย
เชื่อไม่เรียบร้องมาส่งเสียงมวยไหล
บางยกเธอไว้นักในสำลัง
เมียนมาหกชิงันในมิดนี้เมียนมาหกชิงันในกราบสไตล์คลันชิงันออกจ้าในกราบสไตล์คลันชิงันออกจ้า
แม่พระพรไม่ยืดสักดอกในลอยสักสักก็มีแควนสลาเราบังเชื่อแค่
บังสระวังบังดังหักลุนเก่งบังรัตไตเด็กให้ไม้อาโอน
ลุนจักเลยเอาใจขมัก
แต่เงียบนิ่งเมียนมาหกชิงันแต่เงียบนิ่งเมียนมาหกชิงันเมกรา
ในจะไหนมวยมาบอง
ออกจากแม่
บอกต้นกระไรบอกผมมาบองโปนบ้านรอมจังหวะรอมบัวไงสบายอดมาตึกม้วนบ้านหอมหมดว่าคนจราเนี่ยการประกวดไตรบอลเยืองบานในตายปะตอตู้จิมีนอุปสรรคอย่างนาก็ได้ก็ยังที่ยืมเรียบจอมการประกวดไตรสัพพสโตไปเอาพวกมาบงโปนบานบาบงเป้บานรอมมาพวกมาบงโปนบานจีไม่ใช่บานลางรอมเลงกำสานจีเรียงรอสัปดาห์บานในตินิปตอตายมาดองให้ชื่อแกทับพวกมาบงโปนปัจจุบันการคอมโตรมาดอศิลปะกรศิลปะกรรมนี้จนเป็นปีการเพียบยังขย่มบาก็พวกการเพื่อการประกวดไตรสัพพสโตจีไม่ใช่จูรวมบริจาคจิตวิการที่กระไดการกระไดตามกำลังสติระบบพมายบงพลยังขย่มเมียนปอบมูลนิธินมกเวทการดนตรีให้ก็โดยเชียเมียนคิวอาร์โค้ดบาดบัดจ้อมดังปอบมูลนิธิพองได้จีเป็นไซบัสเซนพมายบงพลทานในง่ายบามันบานยกวิการนกดอเวทการดนตรีนุตีบาโดยฉะนั้นยังมีสหการไรหนังดัดกันทงปอบมูลนิธิตลอดพมายบงพลแต่คำตาพมายบงพลเคยหายบามันปะเงยกันตายนุตีบามันรวมลงเต้นังจูรวมติกระไดการกระไดบาปรำปวนมาปวนปีปวนมาเมินปีเมินอาศัยเลยพงมาบงพลบาอาจูรวมตามกำลังสติฟังได้อากุนอะไรนี่สมรีรีกำซานในบทจมเรียนเชี่ยปตอบาอากุน
นอใส่
เชิดยิงเชิดมาสิลองเล่นออกที่มาจะโจชนะมั้ยไม่ปัดจะมาช่างเจียหายสอบหลักผู้จงเราหายคือเศร้าไว้ลายกลายที่คนเราแม่กาจ้องหัวปัดแล้วมาลุกตื่นโจได้เก็บไปได้เก็บมันโดนมาดันข่าวลุยรถเธอที่มาจะมีเรื่องคู่กันไหมจอมไหลลังดัดปลายสายประหารลูกจ้องกาใจแทนป่าสันนัดบุกมากไอ้มาดังท่าจอดเก่งลงมาได้บ้านป่าตาเล่นโตเนี่ยเพื่อนห้องหานรอเตียงรอหามรอมีสิ่งเห็นพัฒนาหาวเย็นทำไปก็
គិតច្រើនចុះពាក់គេខ្លាចទៅជីវិតមានន័យហេហេហេហេជើបាទជូនពរអ្នកជាពាក់គេទាំងអស់បាទចូលឆ្នាំហើយសង្ឃឹមថាដោះឲ្យអស់តោះគ្នាហេហេហេជើហេហេហេដើរលេងតអ្នកគឺใจดอกใหญ่มองจ้าอาเธออย่างน่าเอ๊นี่จงอยู่ก็อยู่มันเฉยคำตัดกระจางจะเป็นแกงคลักที่แบบนี้ในเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเชิดเชิดเชิดเชิดเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยเฮ้ยปิดปากก็ไม่ชนะที่ไหนปากตอนเรามาเรียบร้อยทำมันนั่งข้าแต่เล่นสนุกเลยนะตากายก็อมไม่ใช่ดอกใหญ่มองจ้าอาเมื่ออย่างน่าเอ๊นี่จำยงก็ยงมัน
Here is all here is all for foreigners like American clubs street so if you know cái này ô tech ô tech chắc là cái noa mạo qua rồi anh thấy cái noa mạo nó qua băng so lõi I think you're gonna like this video because this is I really calm and it's all international I mean like foreigner American European whatever that come and enjoys the street over here because it's all sexy girls sit there and waiting for so I'm gonna bring you over here so you can enjoy all right so here recommendation is a newer street ôi bạn này nâng ấy này nâng dương thô khăn này phình Okay, today is the wedding, but we're coming earlier.
គុណប្រគុណស្រីបានដល់គុណប្រពុតគុណប្រធមគុណប្រសង្ឃជាទីពឹងទីរលឹក
អ
one of my cousins. I haven't seen her since 82. And here's another cousin. It's not bad. There's a very convenient store here. So like our like 7-Eleven. It's just the same, manage the same as 7-Eleven. And then also there's the menu is what do you call that, in dollars, not in real. Today is a day 12 vacation. And then, oh, I forgot to tell you, honey, there's very popular Raptor truck pickup. There's many of them. I forgot to tell you that, you know, since been traveling and driving and everything and home and everything is also like they use most of them are Raptors. Which your favorite truck, huh?
Wow. Bà gì?
Đào phơi gì á, đào phơi gì. Tại lên nâng cái. Ôi dạ. Hả? Trời ơi, sao con trai thì luôn. Nó ơi, tụi nãy như ăn gì đấy, cây cây nâng đó.
Wow, look at jackfruit. Here, jackfruit. Hai ní tét kê tét dương.
Chắc cái là bón thầm nặng.
Ô là bón thầm năng.
À, là bón nó cái sọc chất tục quanh nó đa slong tới slong màu. Là bón. Thôi con nấu về cho con lo con nấu nước thế. Con ăn mà đó nhà con như đấy. Sla ngọt bát đấy sla.
Ngọt hay?
Nơi bên đây ở thực tế bên nơi dương nơi chân tới dương mũi tật mũi ấy với tật nơi nặng á. Dương men chi ạ.
Wow. She's old now. I mean, younger than Ma, but she's old now and she not stay here anymore because the children not let her. And then everything else around the house is became like forest, like all tree grow, no trimming, no anything, and the ground is all leaf, dead leaves.
Xóa biết đấy. Nè kia nhưng mà xóa tao làm rách cái tao làm rách cái cơn giá kia mà tao đem đâu á. Giờ tao thơ nó giờ
This is radish. So they harvest and then they peel it all. After peeling, they salt it, so they put the rocks on top of it, so that way it won't pop it won't be floating, so it have to be stay under the like submit under the salt water. Now after they peel and shred it and they clean it, you know, like dirty and everything, and then they will salt it. So this is with salt like for 1 or 2 days, and then they dry under the sun, so over here, and then after drying for like 2-3 days, then they will soak into the sugar water, and then they dry it again. Cucumber, it's not cucumber actually, it's like ours Christmas melon, but it's a family of Christmas melon, but it's just like this is, you cannot wait until it's ripe. No, we have to pick before ripe. And then this is the what is that called? It's just like radish. It's Chinese radish. That's how people call. So that's what they pickle. They peel it over there. So now they dry. Rogan. Look at this. This is a Logan. So there's a farm. Look. So we at the farm, and then we buying 1 kilogram. It's 2 pounds. Look, 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 look. Look. Day 13, we at Old Bong 1B. Hey, we're back. It's called Saigon Bridge. So that is Saigon River. It's a border Cambodia and Laos. À ឥឡូវយើងទៅមើលតើគេលក់អីខ្លះអានេះខ្មែរ This is Khmer Khmer. Over there is Laos. This Laos wine. There's soap in like Chinese medicine. So I have to take home and for my husband to watch it. Those are brothers and sisters.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cambodia, Laos.
Cambodia, Laos. And I'm from USA. We'll go back home on the 16th. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Apple Music
We're
loves
gonna-
Taylor Swift.
Here's it. We passed the border.
Made it a blast because they know that this all points to
Here we go. Now we get in land Laos. So we passed the border. Then now we in Laos, but it's still border.
Mấy tinh ấy?
Tobacco. Lao sạo. Hey, we got some souvenir for Bianca and we got some souvenir for you from Laos, not Cambodian yet. Cambodia yet. All right. Now eat again. Never stop eating. Now I'm fat. Chân nang.
Bò em lỗi kìa.
Chân nang.
Lụa là này, lụa bông mà mắt. Bông mà mắt cái này bỏ ấy, oi tao mà mắt.
Tao mắt phát đi.
Con chớn đi.
Khô kê. Dương ở trong thay dương nhằm mà nâng mạch.
Trộm trộm bán.
Trời ơi. Chẳng thế. Bọc mà đây. Rạp xe chuyện bạc. Play soccer, play car bây giờ. Play soccer, play car.
Cho camera cái dương nó ăn toàn bên sắt tê.
Bà, cha.
Mong xì lắm.
Bay nè. Anh em bảo ăn này luôn.
Ê,
Dạ chưa để chắc ăn sốt hay chẳng
qua tôi học em qua chụp lại tôi đi vào một mùi.
Ồ, bị trôi cho áo tắm nó bị chui xì.
Anh đi có mua.
Lúc thấy à, lúc thấy này. Cả nhé.
Hai bố nó hơi tập pin vậy đó. Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
តែលោកមិនចាំនេះស្ដាំណាលោកអត់ធ្វើចេញពីដើមសាខាទេលោកឲ្យនាយករងខ្ញុំរងបាទលោកមានព័ត៌មានទុក
ទៅបរិយវិញមែនត្រូវហ្នឹងគេងងអីអត់ទេជួយបានធ្វើម៉េចដល់ថ្ងៃងាយថ្ងៃ15ទៅបរិយ
foreigner here. All foreigner.
Mình tí sấy chà chà là chà màu nó trời ơi bon xà rang bị bắt vào đây nó còn 7 màu ở tè châu gì
cho để dưng lên đó anh ấy chỉ tự bắt cái hàng khăn lên nè vượt đọt cho nó bằng bón đọt ngon trong cái sẽ chơi coi bón nhưng mà ai pin nè quát trong có ngày đời dưng
Okay, here is the townhouse, whatever you call apartment, and here's part 3 truck, pickup truck, and now I'm walking in. Here is the house. Like, there's no bedroom here, and there's the restroom, but the light's not working. And here is the kitchen, and here it's just like kind of patio. And what we did, both of us did, is put the net like chicken wire. So the chicken wire just avoids from the cat. Cats make their own house and their own toilets. So it was full of cat pools over here. So now I clean them all up and everything, and now it's work. This is the downstairs. I'm going upstairs. Here's this upstairs. That's only 1 story, but it's tall. Then here is 1 bedroom. That's her bedroom over here. So the bedroom here, and then here is bathroom. Inside of the bedroom, and now we're down here, turn it off, and I will go to over here. There's another room. There's another room here, and then restroom here, and that's it, only 2 bedrooms. And then The stair go up there is the roof just to cover, but we can continue making another story and then another 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom or 3-bathroom. So that's it. Just taking the dinner celebration.
Châu ai Việt tranh ai Việt Châu.